it's a great moment that in a consecutive manner, our Honorable Prime Minister, Sir Sri Narendra Damodar Das Modi ji, going to swearing in as the Prime Minister of India in a consecutive 3 times. It is a democratic secular country. It's a very difficult task. Our Chief Election Commissioner, Mr. Rajiv Kumar Sir, and his entire colleagues and all staffs paid great labor, definitely, with the adequate help of Indian Army. And several bad incidents also happened, I must admit the truth. But anyway, it is successfully, they are ready to swearing in as being the third time, honorable, headed by our Prime Minister says, Narendra Damodar was consecutive 3 times. So congratulations, sir. And it has been decided that the national anthem will be played at the end of program. But before that, I actually am very much fond of national anthem. So I put my national anthem after swearing in whole total program. Before that, I like to sing. জনগণ মন অধিনায়ক জয় হে ভারত ভাগ্য বিধাতা পঞ্জাব সিন্ধু গুজরাট মারাঠা দ্রাবিড় উৎকল বঙ্গ বিন্দ হিমাচল যমুনা গঙ্গা উচ্ছল জলধি তরঙ্গ তব শুভ নামে জাগে তব শুভ আশিস মাঘে গাহে তব জয় গাথা জনগণ মঙ্গল দায়ক জয় হে ভারত ভাগ্য বিধাতা জয় হে জয় হে জয় হে জয় 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 হে জয় হিন্দ।